डेली एक्सेलशियर में आपका खैर मकदम है। आज हम लेह के एक मुनफरिद वीविंग स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं जो कि लीना लद्दाख पश्मीना वीविंग स्टूडियो के नाम से मशहूर है। ये वीविंग स्टूडियो मुकम्मल तौर पे ख़वातीन के ज़रिए चलाया जाता है। इस वीविंग स्टूडियो में मुख्तलिफ़ टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट्स बशमूल खूबसूरत पश्मीना शॉल्स जो है हाथ से तैयार किए जाते हैं। आइए इस वीविंग स्टूडियो को चलाने वाली दो ख़वातीन से आपकी मुलाकात कराते हैं।
My name is Sonam. I'm one of the co-founders of Lena Ladakh Pashmina. So we work with the Pashmina of Ladakh. We make fabrics like Pashmina shawls, stoles and simple knit products. And other than Pashmina, we also make home textiles which are inspired from the weaving techniques of Changtang, nomadic community of Changtang. So to tell you a little bit about Pashmina, Pashmina has three natural colors. So these are the three natural colors of Pashmina. So ये white है and then beige and the grey colors और बाकी सब हमने natural dye किया है। जो भी सारा processes हमारा है सारा hand processed है। And then after dyeing, the next step is weaving. This is how we do weaving. So we use the fly shuttle loom, and then we have to do the warping and the drafting first, and then the yarns they go on the loom, and then we start weaving here. So pashmina weaving के बाद it's a very long process. उसके बाद we have to do finishing and then washing and everything. So yeah, that's what we do. We have about 33 women in our team. So studio में रोज about 13 there are 13 women who come to the studio every day. And जो बाकी के आर्टिसान्स हैं वो अपने घर से काम करते हैं। दे घर में स्पिनिंग और ट्विस्टिंग करते हैं।
My name is Minlek. I'm one of the two co-founders of Lena Ladakh Pashmina. So we started Lena in 2016. So Lena is all women-based, slow textile label based out in Ladakh, and we make completely hand-spun, hand-woven and natural dyed Pashmina products, which has a strong essence of Ladakh. So our approach to production is completely Ladakhi, be it spinning with the willow spindle, be it weaving on the fly shuttle loom, be it using natural dyes to color our products. So it's completely sustainable and very much rooted to the textile heritage of Ladakh. Main challenges has been with us is that to make a client understand why Ladakh Pashmina is very different, because they always come with that mindset that Pashmina has to be lightweight, it has to pass through a wedding ring. Yeah. So that is but our approach to purity of Pashmina is very different. So therefore, we conduct this natural dyeing workshop where we receive guests from different parts of the world, and in that workshop, it's like a hands-on experience for them to work with Pashmina, natural dyeing of Pashmina, weaving with Pashmina. Other than that, they also get exposure or in the world of Pashmina, how it started right from the beginning. So to seek for pure Pashmina is mainly it has to be handcrafted, and because then you do not need to mix with any other fiber, and it has to be naturally dyed. So. But it's very different from the regular Pashmina that you see in the market. Those are lightweight, and people only like to use only on special occasion. But where in case of Ladakh Pashmina, we really push clients to use on daily basis, because there's a belief that Ladakh Pashmina is very much similar to wine. It gets better with age.